My name is Rahul. I'm 27 years old. I work as a naval architect in the marine industry. My main motivation to learn investing is to generate some passive income outside my salary. After living here for like 1.5 years, I understood that it is difficult to meet the expenses in Singapore with just my salary. So I wanted to generate some sort of passive income. I found out about VIA through my colleague, and he also showed me his results. Then I was motivated to join. My favorite part was everything is explained in a very simple way such that even a small kid can understand. That's what I liked. Most helpful lesson, we should not worry about the stock price, because the company is not the stock and the stock is not the company. Yeah, I would recommend VIP course to my friends.